an agent that automatically books appointments, syncs with your calendar, replies instantly on your Telegram. This video I'll show you how to set up AI booking agent step by step using Telegram, Make.com. So here we are the canvas of Make.com. So I've created 3 scenarios here. First, the name of this person, I choose the name. I gave it the AI booking assistant. Then agent name, customer service agent. Then you can choose the model. So that's these are inbuilt models. Better AI. These are inbuilt models in the Make.com. So you have to choose whatever your model you want. You can choose small. If you have a large operation, you can choose large. And after that, so I choose. Then here you have to give the prompt. So when you go back there, so I created my own agent here. So I had given assistant prompt that you are an auto service assistant of a like professional for certain garage responsibilities are email. You have to take the email address, contact vehicle, detect the reason for booking, add a appointment, client location. These are the booking working hours, 8 to 4 p.m. days, Monday to Saturday. The information you have to create a set of tools to check calendar, check availability, create calendar event, actually record the information in a table record. You can even use Google Sheet or your own CRM system. You have to send an email to the team to notify them that your end agent has created it. And after that, you have to go down. So here the context you can add your own data. So here personally I haven't added any data, but you can see there's a room for you to add a TXT, so you can add information like policies, customer, and other things that FAQs that the question the client might have, so you can upload them here. Then after uploading, this would be a context. So this would be a context. Then here you can add system tools. So I added 1, 2 which are active. Then I can try to ask a question, just test and train, check whether this testing my agent here. So you can see the progress. I can see this what the rest of the table. So here there's an app of the app. The agent here I connected to. So if you are trying to create one for the first time, you have to create a tab. Here you have to create connection. Then the base should be CRM. So here when you're trying to connect space, come here, build as hub and create your own API key token. So the token, create here the name, booking agent, then add the scopes. So add the record several scopes here. Scroll down, then add more data. Those scroll down, add my CRM. That's what you're actually seeing the table here. Then when you scroll down, so here try to map up the text, and from it have to return as an output. So this is just a scenario, call it create a record, that number, station, location, appointment time, then calendar ID. So that is what you are going to create. Then you come here and save. Then you have to hit on demand. Here that option save and hit on demand. That's how you configure it as a tool. Then name it as an Airtable. Here's another one. Calendar events. Calendar events also run on demand. So here I have to configure it. Do the connection. You are not connected. You have to do through your email account. So here you just click here, create one. So you can do the connection through the actually see a number of operations. Create this. And I think that is all. Then save. You actually hit save. And then come back. Another tool here. So here is another tool for booking the events actually. The same search the event. The other one is to create the event. This one now to book the events. So on demand you can actually see. So you do the same connection now. Time then say me connect here. You just click. I'm trying to create another. You just click here. Add scenario output. Then item. And then the nudge here. So you can actually see what you check and save. Then you save the whole scenario. Then here, so you configure the model you connect with the front end, or you can talk to your agent through Telegram. Here you just configure a Telegram. So here you just watch for update and incoming. Here it has to watch for any update, any incoming text. So how you configure it? Just here the name. Adding another token. How you do the connection? Name it. Give. Then you come here. You should come here and then create through the bot further. Just come and search for here. Then you save. So here is the connection that I did. Then here you connect your agent. Come and do a drop down. Let's book a booking assistant. Or you can create another and then add tools. So you can see I added how you configure it. Message chat ID. So you just click here. Then you come and pick it from. Then you can actually use the text. The text is here. The text capacity. Then you can configure it to ensure that it responds accurately. Then you connect to that. Send text reply. So here what you're trying to get is a response from AI. So here the response. that's what you place it here. Then thread ID also here, just drag it and drop it here. Then chat ID is from the trigger and do as a markdown. You can do a to save. Let's go to our Telegram. So here is contact number. Let's run. Give it my Telegram. Hey Evans, I'll reach about you. Your contact number on the log. So here, so let's check here. You can go the vehicle type. Okay, thank you for information. Vehicle type. So that's how actually you create an email created early. Then you can actually add maybe your whatever the system you're using, but it should be integratable, compatible with the AI. This can be uploaded as a chat widget to your website, or place a number there or WhatsApp number on which I'll contact you, reach with the information. Then when the class details are actually recorded in the system, you get an email notification which you can add as a tool, or a WhatsApp or a Telegram that can give you as a notification that you actually have a client who has booked a session on this day and is willing of such a kind of a service, and then you can even mediate